Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video I bring you the Gitcoin Passport. This is a very important video if you are doing airdrops, and probably doing the Gitcoin Passport we are going to cover it step by step. You are going to have maybe some boost for the ZkSync and the Arbitrum airdrops. So this video is very important if you have been following those two airdrops. We are going to do step by step everything on the Gitcoin Passport, all the things that you need to cover in order to be certificate on that. Of course, I am going to share with you the step by step on the big picture of this, but I am also going to go one by one the 20 options that you need to validate in order to be a Gitcoin Passport 100%. So I never saw a video like this one in YouTube when I do my research, so I hope you enjoy it. And we are going to cover everything here. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. So guys, the Gitcoin Passport is a protocol designed and owned by GitHub, which helps to identify that the wallet is owned by a human and not a bot. It is basically used to filter of civil farmers, and it's important that your wallet is market safe using Gitcoin Passport. And I also got some whispers that Gitcoin Passport will be used as a multiplier for ZkSync and Arbitrum airdrops. Besides to get safe your wallet, you may be going to have a boost on those two airdrops if we do the Gitcoin Passport. So the first thing to do, guys, is going to the official link of passportgitcoin.com. So I will put, of course, the link here on the document, and all this document I am going to share with you, you are going to see in the link on the description. You are going to have a link to a post on my website for the Gitcoin Passport. Everything is going to be there. So when you go to the Gitcoin Passport URL and you enter with your wallet, you are going to be forced to enter with Ethereum mainnet. Don't be afraid, because we are not going to do transactions, so you need to spend anything. This is free for you. What you are going to do is you are going to need to sign with your wallet some of the connections, but there's no fee involved. It's not a transaction on the blockchain. So here are all the things that you need to verify. You can see each rectangle contains one of the things that you need to verify. There are 20 right now. This has been changed from time to time. But right now you can see Gitcoin Passport is also part of GitHub, and like you know, they have Gitcoin Grants, which is the first item. Gitcoin Grants, we already covered it in another videos. For the Airdrop of Arbitrum and Optimism, it will help if you have some grant here. So if you go to the grants part of gitcoin.com, you can donate a little bit of money to these projects, any of these projects that represent goods. And connecting your wallet, you can do it using Ethereum or another networks also. And then you are going to be able to connect your account to here. And if you contributed to more than one grant, or more than 10, more than 25 or 100, you can enable this, or you can select all. I discovered, guys, if you put select all in all of this and you click on verify, if you are not verifying something that you did, automatically it's going to put it off. So you maybe want to just click select all and just click verify if you did some of them. So after you click verify, you are going to be asked to sign a transaction from passportgitcoin.co. So click on yes, and this is going to verify that you are acquired for one of these things, at least one of these, in order to verify. This doesn't mean that you need to accomplish all of them, but at least you want to have one of these correctly. Like you can see in this case, the verification failed because I didn't cover with this account any of these criterias. But like I say, if you go to the Gitcoin Grants and you enter at least more than 2 or at least more than one, more than $10, you are going to be able to select one of these, and then your verification is going to be successful. So after doing that with the first one, Gitcoin Grants, you need to continue doing that with each of these. After you do that, you cover almost all of them. And this is not confirmed, but I think from the 20, at least you need to have 12 to get a 100% cover on the passport. But that information is not confirmed by me yet. I am asking that, but didn't receive any confirmation about that. But you don't need to have the 20. I think 12 is the number that you need to cover. So after doing all that, you go to gitcoin.co/trust and you are going to see how is the status of your passport. So Gitcoin Grant, make a donation to 2 projects or 1 project above $10. I put the link here for Gitcoin Grants. It's what I already show you here, guys. So go here and donate to some projects. The second is Gitcoin GTC token. You need to have at least 10 GTC. You can buy it in Binance, for example, and send it into your MetaMask. And I put the link to the token here. It's at position 560 at almost $2 right now on value. And you can see all the markets that you can get this token. And after you get it, you send it to your wallet, your Ethereum wallet that you are connected. And then you are going to be able to apply to the second one, which is this GTC possession verification. At least 10 or at least 100 says here. So having more than 10 GTC, you are going to be able to click this and click on verify, sign the transaction, sign the connection so they can verify that, and you will be verifying your second here in the passport. The third one is GTC Staking. I couldn't get it correctly, these guys, so I am not sure what to do on GTC Staking. I found this link that I am sharing with you. Also, you can go to gitcoin.co/staking, but I couldn't find really how to stake my GTC. So if you know how to do that, put it in the comment section. I will ping your message so everyone knows how to do that. So the step 3 here on staking your GTC, it was not complete for me. I couldn't get it correctly. So if you know, put the information in the comment section. So after that, we have Twitter, we have Google, we have GitHub and Facebook. These ones are really easy to do. You just connect your account like in many other places. Select all. You need to have more than 10 tweets and posts. You need to have an account name. Basically, just leaving the first one, you can already verify that. But in my case, I have this covered, so you can click verify. You authorize the app to connect. You sign the communication with the passport, and you can see that you have a success there. And here you can see that now it's in green with the verified code here. So you will see here when it's verified one of these requirements. These requirements, each of them I call in stamps. So right now we are covered the first 4 stamps. Then you can connect with Google, you can connect with your GitHub account and Facebook account. So I'm not going to cover each of them. You can see these are easy, you just need to connect. So the next one is ANS domain. This is Ethereum name service. So you can buy it here. I put the link there to the ENS.domains. So you will need to connect to the app, buy a domain, and then you are going to be able to confirm here your account. So basically click here and confirm if your Ethereum address is connected to a Ethereum name service. So that will be the 8 of these stamps. Moving to POAP, this requires connected an account to a POAP owned for over 15 days. Step 9, you can download the app, or here I saw after that you have an option that view your POAPs in the browser. So I am not sure if you need to download the app and do it from the downloaded app in your cell phone, or you can just go to the online part on the browser. Anyways, you need to confirm this account in order to go here again to your passport and get this stamp, connect here and click on verify. And remember that accounts need to be at least 15 days old. Then you have Bright ID. Bright ID is similar to POAP. You need to download the app. Here is the link on the description. And then you are going to be able to go here and connect your account. After that, we have Proof of Humanity. And this is brightid.org, another one. So Proof of Humanity It's a protocol that also runs on Ethereum and is already verified by Vitalik. Vitalik supports this project. I have been following already from a while, but basically doing a couple of things and even a video, you can validate your identity on the network in the blockchain of Ethereum. And if you connect your wallet, you are going to be able to create a profile. You also can verify another profiles. This is a very important way, like the name of the project says, to prove your humanity here. They have a token actually, which are really low value, but having your proof of humanity, you are going to receive that token. So if you want free money, even if pennies right now, you can do this. After doing this, you also can connect your wallet and your account, and you are going to be able to prove that you are connected with a profile on proof of humanity. So proof of humanity is the number 11. The link it will be here. Remember, all this information is in a post link on the description. So go there, that will take you to my website and you are going to see everything there. So the next ones are Discord, LinkedIn, Ethereum and Snapshot. We already use Snapshot for many airdrops, so you already have an account. Ethereum is that you need to have some Ethereum or at least have been doing transactions there. So you can see here Discord, just connect your account, LinkedIn, just connect your account. Ethereum is Ethereum possession and transaction verification. So you need to have in your wallet at least one Ethereum, which right now is like $1,000, so maybe this is more easy. First Ethereum transaction occurred more than 30 days ago, at least one Ethereum transaction. So clicking here is really easy to do. And here is the gas spend that you have been doing in your account. But probably you are going to be able to validate any of these ones. Snapshot, you just need to connect like with the other accounts. So it's really easy. Then we move to GitPOAP. Again, you can create your account here, but it was not enough. You can go to this link. I needed to connect many things actually to be able to create that account. But that wasn't enough to validate that step. So I really couldn't validate GitPOAP. So if you have more information about that, put it in the comment section. I will pin your comment to help everyone here. Then NFT Holder is really easy. You need to have an NFT on your wallet related to this passport. So if you don't have an NFT yet, I would recommend you to buy the one that is for Lens profile. We are going to see that in a minute. So NFT Holder, basically you need to have an NFT in your wallet. Then we have ZkSync. This is get an NFT on ZkSync. You can see here if you click the verification. Basically, if you did the testnet and the videos that I put for ZkSync, you can see it in my video section, or just click the video that is pumping here, the link here. You can do that video for the testnet of ZkSync and mainnet, and you are going to be able to verify this. And of course, ZkSync is appearing as a way to verify this, so it's probably going to be true that having your passport is going to boost your rewards of ZkSync and also in Arbitrum. After that, we have Lens. This is Lens profile verification. Basically, you need to have a profile on Lens. Lens is a protocol, it's a social network, and it's actually a really cool project. I didn't cover it, guys, because we are also expecting an airdrop on this project because it's really complicated, really. But it's an amazing project. Right now, in order to have a profile here, it's not that like you just create an account. At this moment, you can buy a profile on OpenSea, buying an NFT that is at $43 USDC right now. You can buy a profile here. So what I recommend you to do is try to buy one of these. So you are going to have an NFT and you are going to have the profile for Lens. I would recommend you to Google about how to get a protocol profile of Lens, so you can do it correctly. But basically doing that, you're going to be able to validate the NFT holder at the Lens. And the last one is Gnosis Safe. This is to have a multi-chain wallet. I already covered that in my video of Arbitrum multi-sign airdrop. Having a multi-chain on Arbitrum is going to be a boost for the reward for sure if they have a token airdrop. So I recommend you to check this video. I will put the link on the description for this video. And with that, guys, we cover the 20 stamps that you need to cover in order to get your passport. After you complete your stamps, you can check your passport here in gitcoin.co/trust. I cover everything here. The only one that you could have some problems, it could be staking your GTC, and maybe with the lens profile you could have some issues, and the GitPOAP, I couldn't get it done. So put your comments if you have more information about those. The rest you should be able to do it. And after doing that, guys, like I say, you go to this link here and you are going to see how is your passport here, the percentage of the score that you have already. And of course, don't try to use your different verification stamps on multiple wallets because it will not work. So after that, you are going to have this trust bonus, and this is what powers your Gitcoin Passport. Try to get to the 100% here of the verification, or 150. So that will be all for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this very important video. If you're doing airdrops on your wallet, try to get the Gitcoin Passport. At least do a couple of them and get some progress. Even if you don't get the 100% points there, try to do 10, 9, 8. So at least you are in progress with your Gitcoin Passport. Guys, that will be all for the video. Remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications. Follow me at ZkSync Staking Twitter. And remember that you can check all my different airdrop videos in the video section of YouTube. There are many things to do, and you can do ZkSync and Arbitrum airdrops there. I explain it in the most detail of YouTube. That will be all, and see you in the next video. Bye.